Once your garden lives in GardenKeeper, the next question is, how do you keep it alive on the page? How do you record what you do every day without it becoming work? Here's how. Sometimes you just want to mark something as done and move on. From any plant in your garden, tap the lightning icon and choose watering, fertilizing, pruning, treatment, observation, or repotting. One tap, that's it. Logged. The activity is saved with today's date and the plant attached. No forms, no decisions. The kind of small action you'll do dozens of times in a season now takes a second. And there it is, at the top of your garden journal. Fertilizing Abutilon megapotamicum, today's date. Every quick log you make ends up here in a clean timeline of your gardening life. But the journal goes deeper than quick logs. Open any entry and edit everything. The activity, the date, the plant. A wider set of presets covers what the quick log doesn't. Sowing, harvesting, mulching, deadheading. And if your activity isn't on the list, write your own. Whether it's the Chelsea chop in late May, lifting bulbs, or anything specific to your garden. GardenKeeper learns your vocabulary. Saved. Your custom activity now sits alongside the presets, ready to be reused next time. The journal grows with you. Every activity can be linked to one or more plants. Just pick from your archive. Achillea, Alchemilla, Allium. The entry will appear on each plant's page, building its own history over time. Then add the product you used, fertilizers, composts, treatments, whatever you keep in the shed. Next time you wonder what fed the roses last spring, the answer is one tap away. And there it is, your new entry, on top of the timeline. 24 activities and counting, every action saved, every plant connected, every product remembered. Always with you.